It's wedding season and I have a really cute and easy style to bring to you guys using products from the Main Choices Heavenly Halo collection. I started out shampooing my hair first using the Heavenly Halo shampoo. It's non-stripping, it thoroughly penetrates to hydrate from inside out, it restores and hydrates dry, thirsty hair, and imparts long-lasting moisture and shine. I went ahead and deep conditioned using the Heavenly Halo Deep Hydration Mask. It deeply penetrates to intensely hydrate. It noticeably restores hydration in dry, thirsty hair and leaves hair feeling soft, supple, and tangle-free. I did blow out my hair for this style, which is why I chose to use the Heavenly Halo collection because it's so moisturizing. So I parted my hair at the temples, at the front of my head, and then I made a part through the middle of my head to give myself two sections to work with in the back. Then I moisturized my hair using the Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Softening Milk. It penetrates to hydrate from inside out, helps to restore natural luster and shine, and is suitable for all hair types and textures. After using the hair milk, I went in with the Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Serum Oil Mist. It adds amazing shine, it's infused with nourishing vitamins and nutrients, and seals in and retains moisture. And then I smoothed my edges and then tied my hair into a ponytail using a ponytail holder. I did this in the middle section as well. I went in with the softening milk to moisturize my hair. I smoothed it along my edges as well, and then I went in with the serum oil mist to lock in all that moisture. I brushed my edges and again secured my hair with a ponytail holder. And I wanted to make sure that my hair was moisturized before, during, and after styling. Then I went to the back and I re-moisturized my hair in preparation to twist it up. I used some of the softening milk again as well as the serum oil mist. And like I said earlier, I used milk and the oil mist to make sure that my hair was going to be super moisturized, considering I had just used heat, and heat actually dries out our hair. So I wanted to put all of that moisture back into my hair when I twisted my hair. So I did 2 twists in each section. And then when I got to the front, again, I moisturized my hair. You guys, I love the Heavenly Halo collection. It is my absolute favorite because I do suffer from dry hair and it keeps my hair in check. And I did 2 twists in the front to prepare for a pompadour of some sort. And then I took those 2 twists in the front and just wrapped them around each other and pinned them in place using bobby pins from the Main Choice. So with this, I just really played around until I got my desired look. I didn't have any specific technique. I just really played around with it until I got it how I like. And that's what you should do as well. I did have to go in and loosen up my twists a little bit for my final style, just to get all of the volume that I wanted, that I was going for. So yeah, just play around with it until you get the style to your liking. And here is my finished style. You guys, I surprised myself. I told y'all before, I'm no hairstylist, so this style really came out cute. And as I said, I used products from the Main Choices Heavenly Halo collection, which you can find at your local Target stores as well as on themainchoice.com. Also, don't forget to check out the Main Choice on all of their social media at the Main Choice. Thank you for watching and have a great day.